Hi guys, hello, myself Khalid Ansari, and guys, again I'm back with a new trading challenge video. And today is maybe our fourth day, and today also I booked loss because of my over trading habit. And this is continuously for which I'm working, but still I have not been successful in this kind of work, because this is one of the major part. This see all psychology and all discipline, all risk management, everything is coming, but we have to follow all these things. So again I'm saying, I already build up two three four strategies which is also working in this market, but still I am not getting that kind of result in these things. But still I am sharing all this thing with you guys, because you guys are my family, and I have to share. Even if I am in loss, I have to share with you guys. And today also I booked a little bit more loss because of over trading habit. Everywhere I find signals. I am even in live market, I used to not follow my own rule. So this is what I saw about myself, what mistake I did. That is why I am just coming up with that only, so that you guys should having control on your trade. See, I am doing all these things because I know my capital, how much I can bear of my capital. See, so this is the point. If you guys having, I am also trading in one lot trade. So if you guys also suffering on in these things, capital problem, less capital, then what do I consider to you guys? This is one of the great learning which I'm sharing with you guys, that please, if you guys are having a lack of capital problem, then it is very much attentive for you guys to just focus on your learning. And one more thing, it is very important to preserve your capital. And if you just try to make one or two strategies continuously, you can search on YouTube, you just comment on my video. I definitely gonna give you a lot of strategies there. I also worked, I also previously I had just back tested a lot of things I already did. So that is what I am going to share with you guys. But the point is, after this also, the main things, the heart of this game is that you should be having the discipline. And if you don't follow this discipline, then everything is worst, everything is of no use. So it is better you guys follow all these disciplines and make your strategy, learn your strategy, adapt the market, and after that just stick on that. So I didn't stick on that, and today also I did over trading, and because of that only I just suffered little bit more loss. But still I'm having that kind of capital that I can survive in this market, and I have to be in this market. So this is what the main important. If you lose, if you are out of this market, then after this market you are no longer being able to learn all these things which mistake people individually do in this certain live market. So what my suggestion to you guys, please focus on your learning, and don't see what I did. Please don't do this, because this is one of the major risk thing which I'm showing it to you right now. But still it is important. This is why I'm awareing you guys, because this is my personal own decision. Whatever I can bear, I did this. So that is why this is my personal loss. And this is, guys, just to share you about this knowledge. And market is supreme, so you have to focus on all these things, and especially don't over trade, maintain your discipline. These things especially works in this market. So let's come to directly my point of what I traded today, and what is our uh, next plan, and what do I consider to have to preserve my 30k capital. Already 5 to 6,000 has been lost right now. So just come into that, man. So this is, guys, my trading result, and see execution, order execution. See 23, it is not 23, but it is almost 8 to 9 trades I have been executed. And if I'll calculate the margin, means the execution price which has been charged by my broker, and this will be cost around 5 to 5 for 400, at least 400 to 350 this charge as I have to pay. So, and then let's come to my loss, whatever loss I booked today. See, this one is my loss. So everywhere I am finding opportunity. See, and this is one of the biggest mistake which people, and especially I am also doing in this trade. So see, this journey will be continuously going on if you guys just support, guys. If you guys like this video, frankly, honestly, I am sharing everything with you guys, and still I am in loss. See, 4 days has been completed, and still I am in loss. And this is why I just don't want to hide all these things, because you guys are family, and you guys must be knowing that this is a hard job. This is not an easy job. You have have to give your best. So this is my point overall, what I'm trying to explain to you. So make sure guys you don't repeat all these things, because already today I just did my to my limit loss is just 500 to 600, that's it. But today also it is too much extended loss, so this is why I can manage this loss. So that is why I can accept this loss, because it is under my capital only. So today that's a bad day again for me. So let's see next day what we can do, and try to stick to a disciplined man, and don't change your trading strategy. Just focus on your trading, and just trade one trade or two trade, that's it. After that just close the day and just walk away everything. That is what I am also practicing after this, because now it is exceeded. See, I am also having some kind of limit. So if limit has been exceeded, then I have to perform some that special rules which has been guided by the trading professionals. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, make sure you guys like this video, and whoever is new in this channel, please subscribe this channel for trading videos and learning videos, and especially I used to upload vlog also. And see you next time guys. Thank you.